It's a very good afternoon here in Harare, Zimbabwe's capital. Welcome to ZTN News Blitz. Let's take a look at our top stories. Zimbabwe declares COVID-19 national disaster. Zimbabwe announces results of Chinese nationals. Coronavirus, Spanish deaths surge. And in sport, CHAN 2020 finals postponed. Zimbabwe has declared the coronavirus pandemic a national disaster, with public events and public gatherings of more than 100 people being put on hold. President Emerson Mnangagwa this afternoon announced the measures the country is adopting to curb the spread of the virus in the event that it hits the Southern African nation. Addressing the media at State House, the president said the country's independence celebrations and the Zimbabwe International Trade Fair, both slated for Bulawayo next month, have been cancelled. International sporting activities have also been put on hold. President Mnangagwa also announced that the country is closing small ports of entry until further notice, while screening at major ports of entry will be scaled up. Zimbabwe is yet to record a case of the virus.
Government has decided that the coronavirus pandemic be declared a national disaster. This allows government to mobilize resources and take necessary measures in dealing with the pandemic. With immediate effect and for a unified and coordinated effort, I have directed that our national disaster management machinery extend its mandate and focus to dealing with the pandemic.
Meanwhile, the 3 Chinese nationals who were quarantined over COVID-19 in Zimbabwe on Monday have tested negative. Zimbabwe is yet to record any cases of COVID-19 as the virus continues to spread rapidly across the globe. Harare City Health Director Dr. Prosper Chonzi speaks.
We admitted the 3 overnight yesterday. We took the test. We've just received the results that are negative again, and we hope that it remains like that. We are now receiving a number of people presenting themselves to the hospital for screening. We're also picking up a lot more suspects. That means the momentum is really high now. We remain vigilant and hope to respond appropriately when the time comes.
The latest multiple indicator cluster survey has discovered that Zimbabwean girls are engaging in early sex compared to their male counterparts. Girls as young as 15 are already sexually active. In the group between 15 and 24 years, sexually active women accounted for 52%, while men are at 40%. The percentage of teen boys and young men from 15 to 24 years who reported having had sex before the age of 15 years was 6%, while that for girls and young women of the same age group was 4%. The number of confirmed coronavirus cases went up by 2,000 in Spain. The Spaniards closed borders and maintained a partial lockdown on 47 million people. Death tolls have increased elsewhere, with Iran reporting 135 more, taking its official toll close to 1,000. The European Union is planning to ban all non-essential cross-border travel as France started its own strict lockdown. We move now to sports. The Confederation of African Football has postponed the African Nations Championship. This has been necessitated by the rising number of new coronavirus infections in Africa. The tournament was supposed to start on April 4th in Cameroon, with the host playing Zimbabwe in the tournament opener. Meanwhile, Euro 2020 has been pushed to 2021. The Olympics handover ceremony is going ahead as planned on Thursday in Greece, but without spectators in attendance. The flame will then travel to Japan, where it will be carried to the host city for the Tokyo 2020 opening ceremony. However, Japan Olympic Committee's Deputy Chief Kozo Tashima has tested positive for coronavirus, fueling doubts over whether the 2020 Tokyo Olympics will go ahead. And that's all from us on ZTN News Blitz. Join us again tomorrow at 10 a.m. For more news, visit ztn.co.zw and our other social media platforms. Thanks for watching.